Right, what I want you to do now is to log into your student portal account and just type in mugombi and make sure that this web address is very correct. All there should be small letters, no spacing like this, and then click enter. After clicking enter, you have to log in. Just click login and register. After clicking login and register, put in your email address and then your password which you used to register. Then once done, just click sign in. When you after putting your email address and password, just click sign in. And then after you have signed in, it will log you into your to your to your to your student profile page. Your name will appear here, right? Then when you are using a laptop, just look for cost list, this tab. For the first time, I want you to create an order. If you are using a smartphone or a tablet, just look for a more button. Usually it will be at the middle of the page with some stripes, 1 or 2 or 3 stripes. And then if you click it, it will expand and the cost list page will appear. Just and then click the cost list page. Then after clicking the cost list, just go ahead and click add to cart for these subjects which you want. History, just click add to cart. Language, English language, add to cart combined science, add to cart business studies, add to cart mathematics, then add to cart literature and English. After selecting all these 6 subjects, on one of these subjects, just click view cart. After clicking view cart, the list of your subjects which we have selected will be on the left hand side like this, or will appear like this. Then if you have added an additional subject by mistake, just go and click remove item. If that is not the case, and if you have added more than once the same subjects, just go and click minus to reduce the number of subjects. If you have clicked, suppose this Cambridge history, if I've clicked it more than once, it will appear the number, for example, 2, just to say minus, so that you remain with the 1 in the box. And then if all is well, go ahead and click proceed to check out. Then after clicking proceed to check out, then complete the checkout form. If you haven't clicked, it will require you to fill in the details here, including your phone number and address, and then your order summary will appear on the page, and then your total should be this one. Then after that, just click place order. Right after you have placed an order, just to go and complete the payment. The banking details will appear here, or these are the same as the ones which I have provided you earlier. Then after completing the payment, just notify us so that we can activate your student portal.